Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Smart Money Concept market overview on the Wednesday with me, Ben, and Roman, the other guy on the line. How you doing, Roman?
Hello, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, it could be better. Yesterday, unfortunately, we had to reschedule or, actually cancel the backtesting session because I had to be going into hospital to check on my wife and almost newborn, which will be here in a few weeks. So everything was good. So just a precaution, but yeah, it's going to be maybe in the next few weeks, we're going to have to be canceling some live streams here and there because I'll be doing some last checkups and things like that. But and on top of that, I've also got a massive cold coming on. So I do apologize if I start coughing midway. But luckily, you're going to be doing most of the talking today, and I will see if I can ask some questions in between my coughing sessions.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay. So what do you think about the market? Like, do you have any ideas? Just a couple of words.
I didn't expect this, to be honest, considering the situation that we're in right now. Like, the world is uncertain, and we're looking at the dollar index right now, which, I mean, there's an oil crisis caused by the US, really. And then the dollar goes up. And then on top of that, Bitcoin goes up. And I mean, gold and silver are up as well. That's expected, I suppose. But yeah, like to see Bitcoin and dollar index and gold, and it's like what's going on? I mean, the stock markets, the tech department, that fell quite rapidly yesterday. Yeah, lots of indexes in the index funds in the countries are down. Like Japan also closed at a loss last night, and yet we're still seeing this weird thing. Is it like the last quick rise before we test the lows again?
Yeah, I mean, there was just a lot of questions, and I think no one has the answers. That's interesting.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, maybe we should watch Hyperliquid and see if any of Trump's relatives make any big bets.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen a couple of videos, and there are people that are making money on Polymarket now. They are just finding some wallets that are making some ridiculous trades, and they just follow that. So that's even better than trading crypto.
Yeah, I suppose so, yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's just look at the charts. So we still can see something here. Yeah, so dollar index so far is going up. It was up yesterday, now it's correcting. And I sent you the image today about how I predicted this move. Pretty much exactly that was that a month ago. It's funny to see that.
Yeah, I mean, there is this. I mean, the dip was a little bit quicker than you expected, the second one, but it's pretty much there.
Yeah, I expected to have the reaction from this weekly fair value gap, but it just didn't happen.
No, it actually reacted from the earlier path, really. Like from the earlier resistance bit, yeah, from that one, then down and then up and straight through the weekly fair value gap.
Yeah. I think I can remove most of this and we can analyze it properly. So we're still in this range that has been formed a long time ago. We're still in it. It has been confirmed over a month ago. And yeah, so far we're in it, and the upper bound of the range is our target. But we will see some correction soon. So we have the weekly. Oh, this is actually weekly fair value gap. It's much larger. I'm not sure why I had it this small. So that's probably the daily fair value gap.
Yeah, maybe it got adjusted.
No, it was the monthly. No.
No.
I don't know what's that.
Was it not
Oh,
the
it was
day?
the inverse fair value
Oh,
gap.
the inverse. Mm.
And that was it. So yeah, America is always doing their stuff on the weekend, so that we have nice reaction on Monday as always as market opens. And yeah, price just went through this inverse fair value gap, taking out liquidity at the top, and most likely we'll see the correction now. The only question is how far will be this correction? So
Well,
it's either
it left some fair value gaps, or at least one.
yeah, either this area to make this a little more transparent. So yeah, we have this daily fair value gap as the first target. But also we have some liquidity here at the bottom, and we might see even a deeper correction to take these. How's your trading this week? Did you have any trades?
I missed another Bitcoin position again. Actually, two. And one I really was kicking myself because you know why I missed it? I forgot to hit place, got distracted, and moved away, and then came back and I saw my the price well below it the next day, and I was like, damn it! And then yeah, several hours later, actually, wasn't even that long. I think I showed you the position, but several hours later, it would have hit my target beautifully with a 3 or 4% trade.
No. Yeah.
It's and then another one I missed, but that never reached my entry really because it just went up and it continued to go up. But we'll see that in a minute.
Yeah.
I was only looking at Bitcoin, so
Yeah. So I think we'll have something like this on the dollar. But yeah, we need to check other markets to see what will happen.
It could just grab that the top of the range.
What do you mean?
I won't be surprised if it just continues now in the volatility and just reaches this level first.
Yeah, it might happen, but I mean, this fair value gap is pretty close.
Yeah.
And also this move was too fast. Just in the 2 days, we had this massive rise. So yeah, we'll have some correction. We have some kind of a order block that can be treated as the order block here in this area. But I think it would be better if we just retest daily fair value gap. I would prefer that.
Did you check the FIB range already?
Yeah. If we check it from here, probably need to compare it with euro as well. So yeah, it has some way to go. But we'll get to euro soon.
Yeah, I wonder when it's time to sell some dollars to euro again. Because I've been sitting on a pile of dollars really that need to go to euro at some point, but been holding off on it.
Yeah, I think it's not the best time right now. I mean, depending on how much you want to hold it. But yeah, I believe that euro will be cheaper soon.
Yeah, so
like soon as in like next 6 months.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to wait that long for everything, but yeah. So probably just dollar cost average it out.
Yeah, that might be a better idea. So yeah, let's switch to euro. I want to check what the drawings I have here. Yeah, that's something as always, either up or down.
At least you're right once.
Yeah, that's the smart analysis. Oh, I was so mad because I had multiple positions placed at this fair value gap on multiple accounts. and it just didn't happen. It
The
didn't
entry,
reach this 4-hour fair value
It
gap.
never reached it. Yeah, it's too quick.
No,
It would have been a great trade, though. Honestly, but
I think it was till this one, most likely. Yeah, but it's on higher time frame, so it's 4-hour entry and was pretty high risk.
Yeah.
But yeah, unfortunately, I didn't get it.
But there's some opportunity still here on the 117 line.
Yeah, let's check the higher time frames. So we had this monthly fair value gap. We had the reaction in September there, and now it's secondary test of it in January. On the weekly time frame, it's pretty interesting to see what will happen to this inverse fair value gap. I think it's really important to see if price closes above this red line. Yeah, so it's basically 117. If this week closes above that, then we might see some move up again. I don't know how far, maybe to test this rejection block. But if the price closes below 117, then we'll most likely see the move to the downside finally.
Yeah, well, that would be a better time for me to sell some dollars to euro.
Yeah, so like, as you remember, I'm expecting this target at 110 for almost a year now. But looking at dollar chart, it is still in the range, and we have no idea how much longer it will be there. So it can just do like this for next 5 years and only then reach the target. But yeah, eventually it must reach this.
Has it historically done that before? Like
What I mean?
trade sideways for that long?
Yeah, like this one.
That's
2 years.
2 years, yeah. Was that during the Trump administration as well?
Most likely. And this one as well. More than 2 years.
Yeah, 2.5 years, really.
This was before the Trump. Yeah, Trump was here, like stepped in right at the top. And then we dropped. And if we look at 2016, yeah, this is exactly the same thing. So Trump was stepped in here and price just dropped. And then it reverted.
But then it it did recover after that. So, but that's not what we see now. We're seeing this sideways movement.
Yeah.
All right. How's the Bitcoin dominance or the Bitcoin? What is it? This one? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the CME chart.
Ooh, some nice gaps there.
We still have these gaps.
Because historically they've been filled, right? So it could even go as high. It could even go as high as 88.
Well, potentially, yeah. I mean, it's kind of has been overlapped with the wick here, but it usually retests with a full body, even when you have this weak overlap.
At least 80,000 is likely.
Yeah. I believe that we'll see this one. The only question is that will we see another drop down before reaching this one, or will it go straight into that and then we have the drop down? But yeah, we'll probably have another weekly fair value gap here. It's just not very visible on this chart, so we need to check Altrady. Yeah, we have the fair value gap. And this is the first point where we might get rejected.
Yeah, it's also the 4-hour shift.
Oh, we already touched the weekly fair value gap. What do you mean?
If you go to
where?
4 hours, yeah, then we're close to the 4-hour shift, which
in this one?
oh no, that was here.
Yeah,
That's where the 80 is. Yeah, sorry.
that's too far.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I have another one in between. Like I have another continuation from a, like if it breaks this one, it breaks the trend really.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can see that Bitcoin is also going sideways, like most of the crypto.
Yeah, I've been struggling to find any smart money entries here. Really, I mean, like I said, I've tried with this one. It missed. Like I saw this move, and then yeah, I was waiting for here, but then I never placed my actual entry, and then I saw it, and then boom, it just went there.
Yeah.
And I had a really good. I think this was my profit target here, with a very low part. But yeah, I just
Let's see what we have here.
never hit the.
I'm not sure where's the entry here. Shift would be here.
You know what, this one,
And you
because this
probably,
one was lower. So the shift
yeah,
was here.
maybe you had something like this.
Yep. And then I moved it down so that it was a 3. So it reached it, but I never placed the order.
Yeah, that happens.
It was so annoying. And I wanted to, but yeah.
Oh yeah, I missed this position today. In the morning, I just woke up and I like, oh, I need to place the entry right below this swing low. And I just didn't do that.
For this one, I had a target here. So my entry was again much lower.
Mm-hmm.
And that wasn't reached. So
Yeah. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I targeted this one. I think I even placed the position, but then I canceled it. Yeah. It's still like pretty hard to identify the trend now. So it's just better to
yeah, it is. I
stay
mean,
away
well,
from the market.
the trend is accumulation distribution. Like we don't know what it is yet, but that's what it is. It's not in any direction apart from sideways. I was because we're testing a new grid bot system, so I was running a test grid bot as well. That was doing surprisingly well.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you ran a grid bot from like this, that could have been pretty decent.
Yeah, I mean, when you look back at the chart, then yeah, it looks amazing. But
yeah,
do you want to start the grid bot now?
I started the grid bot here.
Mm-hmm.
So that was actually pretty good. Because a lot of people don't realize with grid bots is that you can make money 2 ways, right? Either it goes sideways or it goes in the direction that is suitable for when you started it. Meaning, if you start here with Bitcoin and you want to sell it, then if the price goes down, you make money, or if the price goes sideways, you make money. But there's also the option that if you buy Bitcoin here and the price goes up, you make money, or if the price continues to go sideways, you make money. That's why grid bots give you profits in 2 directions instead of just one. So it's slightly less than 50 or slightly better than 50-50 odds.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I'm looking at this liquidity and
I mean,
it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, I mean, there's a high probability that it will go down here at some point, preferably from this level.
Yeah. Why is this daily? It's weekly. Yeah, so we have 2 weekly fair value gaps.
And this was also the gap on the CME.
Yeah.
And from the CME, we know that it's that it usually gets filled with a full body.
Yeah, I mean, not always, but
Usually.
most of the time, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, it would be interesting to see if there is a 4-hour shift within this weekly fair value gap. Then it might be a good idea to open short position towards this low.
Yeah, but the 4-hour shift is a long way away.
Yeah, but I mean, we have a couple of days to see a new highs and then
we need to
shift.
see some rounding off, maybe some RSI divergence.
Yeah, it's not there.
No.
So yeah, that's something to look for.
But yes, I'm keeping my eye out for that, and I would consider a short at this top of the the range that we're in. But also still looking for longs if we do enter another fair value gap without having that 4-hour shift.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So yeah, it's really tough to predict anything in these times when so much thing is happening in the world.
Yeah, but as you say, it doesn't really matter. Like what happens in the world, the chart is the chart, right? If you look back in history, then all these events still produced charts that work with the strategy that we're trying to do here. So yeah, with that, especially for Bitcoin now, I'm planning for both directions. So as you say, if we have a 4-hour shift, I will change to shorts again. But right now, short term, I'm definitely looking for longs, which my previous 2 trades were.
Yeah. I just wanted to check this weekly fair value gap. There was the 4-hour shift, but then there was another drop. Resweep.
Yeah, I also missed another one that was from the last low point in this range. From this one, yeah. Is that
here? Yeah, I remember
one,
that.
Yeah.
You wanted to enter after the sweep or something?
Yep. Yeah. And again, it didn't reach my entry. It was this candle here. So it was this fair value gap that was created, and I had my order in here, and it was never reached, although it was reached here.
Yeah, but you had the target already.
Yeah, exactly. It already reached my target. So I had 3 trades in this period, all longs, and I missed all 3 of them when 2 of them didn't reach the entry, and one of them I forgot to hit place.
Yeah, you see, with forward testing or like actually live trading, you can now notice the downside of that approach. It's like too conservative and how it might affect you mentally.
Yes, yeah, well, exactly. That's why I'm trying it out with forward testing as well. Because, I mean, full disclosure, I was using the paper trading account as well. Paper trading for futures.
Oh.
Yes, I'm testing out paper trading for futures, which will be released soon as well. So that's that would be nice. So you can actually forward test things as well without risking any of your funds yet. So yeah, I'm still learning, still trying to find the right directions, but I'm happy that the direction that I chose was good so far.
Yeah, that's the only thing to be happy about.
No, that's the most important thing to be happy about.
Yeah, but I mean, over time, when you have a lot of these positions or opportunities that you don't convert because some approach or something that like you changed your mind or you canceled the position or something else.
Yeah, but you might get more aggressive and more yeah, you'll be more sure of your decision, and you might be like placing the order quicker and not get distracted and just walk away, and no, actually just don't think about it, just place the order because you know you're right. Like That would be the best case scenario.
Yeah, I mean, it's just when you just do the backtest and you use this conservative approach, you just press play forward and like you missed your entry and that's fine. You'll have another one in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
But when you miss it and then you have like 2 weeks that you need to wait,
yeah,
then you have a lot of time to kick yourself.
And that is
Like,
true.
why didn't I enter?
That is true.
But yeah, I'm really happy I'm doing this trading now because like it really uncovers a lot of these dark sides of you when you do something wrong. Like it helps with self-reflection. So yeah. Let's check something else.
I think
So we have
most of them are
Ethereum.
similar.
Yeah, but
Like
we can see like Ethereum is in the monthly fair value gap. So it has much more chances to reverse from here. And now we have this fair value gap as a target.
That's a significant increase. That's like 40% or something. Oh no, 20. Huh? Oh yeah, from there, yeah. But from the lowest point, that's
Yeah, from the lowest it would be 40.
Exactly.
But yeah, on monthly it looks all right. On weekly, it's really indecisive. Yeah, and on daily it's just a range.
Yeah. Or we're nearing the top of the range. So if you have some Bitcoin or some Ethereum and you want to consider doing some grid trading, then maybe sell some or use the grid bot to start with the selling side. Who knows? But yeah, it's looking more likely to go long. So I wouldn't do that actually.
Yeah. I mean, this liquidity is pretty interesting, but you have no idea how much time it will take to get this one. So it might go up for another month and only then it can drop.
Yeah, or even straight to the 2,500 line and then go back.
Yeah. Yeah, this was a great opportunity to buy this daily inverse for the gap.
Yeah. But which target? That's still quite high.
Yeah, well, weekly for the gap. But yeah, the shift is not the best one. I've seen that near was rising for some reason. Like it's going against the market while everything is in range, near just going up.
Yeah, it already reached its 4-hour or daily shift even. Wow. Not the weekly shift, but it did clear the weekly fair value gap and left another one below.
Yeah, that's interesting. I had some near that I purchased on spot somewhere around this area when we would drop because there was, I think it was, monthly fair value gap. So I just had some buys within this one. And then I recently just sold some for a minor profit. It was like, I don't know, 10% or something like that. Yeah, around 10%. And yeah, I want to check Solana. And again, it looks exactly the same on small time frames.
Yeah.
So we have weekly fair value gap as well. This one will probably not be reached this time. Well, we'll see. Yeah, it's like
70%.
Huge increase. Very unlikely. Yeah, but this inverse failure gap might be the target.
Yeah.
If we're gonna have some bumps this spring, it would be the great target.
Yeah, I'm only like I have some Solana as an investment bid, long term, not short term trading at all. So
Yeah, didn't you
I
sell
don't really
anything?
mind. Hey?
You didn't sell anything?
No. No, I'm not really like I just have some coins that are a bit like what ifs. Right?
Yeah.
So and then I don't really want to play with it. It's just like I bought some a few years ago really. And I'm in profit, so I don't really care. Like it's fine. Like there's also I think I'm also holding on a few investment coins that are still underwater, but again, I'm not selling that or like I'm prepared for it to go to zero. Like I've also had plenty of coins with that where I just bought a little bit as a what if. Like I think even after the Luna crash, I bought a little amount of Luna, which is like
Oh yeah, I remember that.
a what if, but it doesn't make any sense to trade with that because that market is just I don't know if is it still active.
Luna? Luna 2? This one?
No, it was the original Luna Classic. Doesn't look like it exists anymore. But yeah, I mean, look at that. I think it was Lune C, not Luna itself. Lune C. Yeah, that came back but
Yeah, there was some activity.
Oh yeah.
What happened there?
But yeah, I mean, pointless, really. And then you have some Doge and some Shiba, and just
yeah, meme coins.
Just the what ifs. You cover the what ifs, and then you're fine.
Yeah, there's so much liquidity. That's interesting. We have this compression. I don't know. It's scary.
Yeah, but wouldn't you think that if we go there, that we continue to push down?
You mean if we take out this liquidity and then we go down?
Yeah, I think if it just grabs this, then we test this liquidity again, and then maybe we can see a recovery.
Yeah, so like basically for the whole crypto, I see two scenarios, as I told you, on Bitcoin. So we're either going up without sweeping this low that we had on 60,000. So maybe we'll have some correction and then we'll go up to 87 maybe, or 86. And then we'll drop to the final bottom of the cycle. Or the other option would be to sweep this liquidity again to take out these early bulls that opened long positions already, and then go up to this region, and only after that drop to under 50,000.
Yeah, because our best guesstimations are still that it's going to go to this area.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm even thinking maybe, like, I was expecting 48,000, but now I'm thinking maybe it's even down to 40,000. I'm not sure. There's not too much to prove that. Like this weekly fair value gap and this liquidity. The only triggers, the only targets that can be there. But yeah, 48, 49, this is the great target.
That would be an amazing target. If we can get the opportunity again to buy there and then prepare for the next bull run. Phew.
Oh, this one, yeah. So 44,000, almost 45. It's like fulfilling the annual fair value gap.
Yeah.
This must be good. So yeah, for the short term, I have no idea what to do. If we have any correction into the closest fair value gaps here, then maybe there is a chance to open a short-term position.
Yeah, I think that there are some longs left. I really think that there's some longs left at the moment. I'd be looking for one anyway. Like if this, because we have a 4-hour fair value gap here, and then this one might form as well. So yeah, I'm looking for retracement into these areas, and then another push up. Hopefully, I'll be able to target this one, or if it goes above it, then at least the closest target should be here. That would be my first target.
And there's just this one on daily.
Yeah.
And nothing else. Maybe on 4-hour
It's the same.
There's nothing. Except this forever fair value gap. Yeah. It's really hard to trade.
Nah. Just
No?
stick to the plan. We have two plans, right? The plan is simple. Either we don't either we go up and we take out some like this and we form a better or like a closer 4-hour shift, and we take that out and we look for another short, or we just continue to go long. That's my plan anyway, and I'm going to be doing that with the forward testing with my paper trading futures account. That's going to be my plan for the next few weeks or days. Like, I don't know how quickly it will go, but at least for the next few days, I'll be looking for longs at the moment, and I will switch to shorts when you indeed say it gets a good shift on the 4-hour. And this is too far. We would have already seen something else. If it reaches this one directly, then there's too much panic in the market, and you can just better sit on your hands and not do anything.
Yeah, I agree. That's a good plan.
So yeah, I think my voice is about to go. So I think on this note, we should probably wrap it up for today. Otherwise, I will not have a voice left tomorrow at all.
There's not much to say anyway about the market.
Yeah. So you all know the plans now. And yeah, let us know if you're in Discord. Let us know if you're following along with our plan as well. We always like to have the interaction. Hopefully my voice is up for it tomorrow, so I'll be able to do the live stream with the new TA scanner, as we're calling it. It's a beautiful scanner. It's a beautiful thing. It's the best scanner you've ever seen. It scans everything, scans all the markets. You're never going to need another scanner. It's the best thing.
Wrote it somewhere.
Yeah. It completely obliterates all the other scanners. It's a beautiful thing. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then again, last live stream was very fun to watch. We had a lot I missed some incredible trades, like 15, 20% in a few minutes. I walked out on it. I didn't miss it. I walked out on it. I closed my goddamn position too early. So
yeah.
if you want to see me fail hard, watch again tomorrow if I'm up for it. Like if I can't speak, then I will probably let Rafa do it. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to make it. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. I'm going to rest my voice now and hopefully see you on the next live stream.
Sounds good. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.